So here we are at the corner where we had the rot and we had to connect the two, the new and the old. So I had to cut another slice off here, and you can see we're down to really pretty good wood. You know, a little bit of show of water damage, but not bad at all. We added this in so that when we meet this, we can screw into it. There was a gap behind this 2-inch, and we took it down to a 1-inch with the chisel and a little bit of sawing and then chisel. And we're ready. Then we put a 1/2 inch, we slid a 1/2 inch behind this one right into that and drove it into all the way into here. And then we put a piece in from here over to the corner, and we screwed from the other side. So these are all screwed in here and screwed in here from the other side. Now we're going to put a 1-inch 1x8 hemlock, and we're going to go from the corner all the way over to here, so it's going to overlap this crease. And we have this chiseled out here enough that it's going to fit in there pretty good and bring us right to this edge. And then we're going to nail this really good here and over there and on the corner. And then from there we'll bring out another piece over here. And then the last thing, we have to do a small spacer here because it doesn't bring us out even. But we're going to do I thought it'd be a 1/2 inch, but it's more like a 3/8 inch piece. And then we put our facer. So then we'll put our facer on after we get that filled in.